The bigger your projects get, the messier everything becomes. You know it, I know it. There's more stuff to track, more people to manage, and way more things that can go wrong. And before you know it, you're putting out fires all day long instead of actually leading your team. I lived this nightmare personally. The better I got at my job, the bigger projects they threw at me, and I was drowning in spreadsheets, paper, my inbox was exploding, and I watched deadlines slip while I was scrambling just to keep up. So I built something to fix it. I spent over 2 years creating a project management system that actually works for construction. Not some generic productivity tool that assumes your work is neat and predictable, but something built for the real chaos of running a job site and managing all the data that comes with it. And it works. It's what I use to now run over $300 million worth of projects. And now you can steal my entire system right here. It's called ProjectOS, and it stands for Project Operating System. ProjectOS is everything you need to run a construction project like a pro. You're going to save time, you're going to kill the chaos, and you're going to actually hit your deadlines without losing your mind. Here's what it'll do for you. Get everyone on your team on the same page immediately. You're going to get on the same page about what you're building, why you're building it, and how you're going to do it. No more confused team members saying, "What are we doing again?" You're going to be able to use the accountability tool to put the right people in the right seats. You're going to have a leadership hub database to track all your people, how they're doing, what you need help with, all the one-on-one conversations that come with it. You're going to be able to lead with clarity. You're going to stay ahead of problems instead of chasing them. Using your risk register, you're going to go through and be able to track all your risks, tag owners to them, next steps, action items, and last responsible moments. You're going to do the same thing for your roadblocks in the roadblock register. This is a neat database to track roadblocks, things that are in your way, and when they're going to impact your schedule, and you're going to be able to tie those to your schedule activities so that you can always know what's affecting what and when it becomes important. You're going to be able to catch all these issues before they blow up your timeline. You're going to track risks, problems, shutdowns, disruptions, and you're going to be able to see trouble from a mile away. This does all your construction administration. RFI, submittals, punch list, meeting notes, all that in one place. You're going to be able to know exactly how your project is doing. The simply weekly check-ins that show you the real numbers using the project scorecard template. You're going to run better project reviews using the proven processes hub where you can document and save all of your processes all in one place, so there's no second guessing and there's no question about what the standards are and how to do things. The best part, it's stupid simple to learn. I built step-by-step tutorials that are built into the template to guide you along the best practices and the philosophy that goes behind everything, like managing risks, roadblocks, last planner system, master scheduling, strategy, conditions of satisfaction. All these things, they have guides built into them. You don't need to be some tech wizard. If you can use email, you can use this. Honestly, I don't know how I managed projects before this system. It's the reason I can handle $300 million projects without working 80 hours a week and constantly stressing about what I'm forgetting. I use this system every single day, and now you can too. This is ProjectOS, the same system I use to run massive construction projects without the chaos, stress, and constant firefighting. Good project managers wing it. Great project managers have systems, and now you can have my system. I hope you enjoy this.